Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the base station and headset so they can pair. Plug the A50 base into its power adapter and charge the headset until the LED indicates sufficient battery. Once done, connect the base to the Xbox using the supplied optical cable for audio or the included USB cable if you use the mix amp over USB. Make sure the console is powered down while you plug cables into the Xbox's rear ports to avoid detection issues and initial handshake problems. Next, you'll get the audio routed to the headset. Power on your Xbox Series X and navigate to settings General Volume and Audio Output. Set the optical or USB audio output to match the connection you made so the console sends chat and game audio to the base. Once the console is configured, press the pairing button on the A50 base and put the headset into pairing mode. This establishes a wireless link. Make sure the base shows a stable connection LED before moving on. Finally, adjust levels and confirm everything works. Use the base station controls or the Astro Command Center on PC to set chat/game balance and mic monitoring so you can hear yourself and teammates clearly. Once audio is good, test voice chat and party audio. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the Xbox, unplug and reseat the optical/USB cables, then repair the headset. This clears handshake errors and often restores audio quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.